good? Yeah, I'm fine. Did the ghost touch you again? I'm not sure. What the hell's going on? I'm not sticking around here to find out. You're seriously gonna pull out a pistol. Then all of a sudden you shoot her up. What else the hell am I supposed to do? Clear! You have another mag? Hey Ghost, this barrel comes to you. Hey Ghost, the last thing I'm gonna see is this barrel.